IRS Form 3520 is the annual return to report transactions with foreign trusts and receipt of certain foreign gifts. U.S. persons who receive distributions from foreign trusts, who are treated as owners of foreign trusts, or who receive large gifts or bequests from foreign individuals or entities, are required to file this form. It is filed separately from your income tax return and is due by the income tax return due date, including extensions. The filer information section at the top identifies the U.S. person filing the return. You provide your name, address, Social Security number or EIN, and the tax year. Part 1 covers transfers of property to foreign trusts. Part 2 covers ownership of foreign trusts, where you report the name of the trust, its country of residence, and a statement of the trust's assets and liabilities. The IRS uses this information to track U.S. tax obligations related to foreign trusts. Part 3 covers distributions from foreign trusts. You report the name and country of the trust, the amount and type of distribution received, and whether you received a foreign grantor trust beneficiary statement. Part 4 covers foreign gifts and bequests. If you received more than $100,000 in gifts or bequests from a foreign person, or more than $17,339 in 2024 from foreign corporations or partnerships, you must itemize each transfer. Penalties for failure to file can be severe, often 35% of the gross value of distributions. File Form 3520 by attaching it to your income tax return, or, if no return is required, by the regular due date for the return, including extensions. If you are the owner of a foreign trust, you also may need to file Form 3520-A separately. The rules for foreign trust reporting are complex, so consult a tax professional familiar with international tax compliance. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.